My role is Vice President of Sales, and my basic job is to go around and talk to clients about what we're doing well and what we're not. And I work with our dealer channel and our direct channel and try to teach them and educate them on what our products are and what they do and why clients need them. I think my excitement about our products comes from the passion that I see our clients have for our products, and it's not just because it's a product that's in the industry, the oil and gas industry or pharmaceutical industry, but it's because that the products help them to accomplish something in life, and so they get to grow. You get to see how our products keep many families, many individuals basically alive. It's a job to them, but our products help them to be better at whatever it is they choose to do. So when you look at what our products do as a whole across the globe, it helps sustaining people and helping their dreams come true. And we do all that because we help our clients make their dreams come true. I think the biggest benefit and the biggest advantage that I see clients taking care of in our products is the simplicity of use, right? They can get the products, and it doesn't matter if it's a Caesar product or PV Lead or CADWorx, they can get it installed in just a few hours. They can take some training either online or maybe through a dealer sitting down and walking through the product with them. And within just a few hours, a few days, they can be up and running and actually making money, developing, putting out projects and making deliverables so they can get their job done. Innovation to me means something new, right? So it's innovating something that nobody has built before, right? When we innovated, when they built the first airplane, that was a true innovation. Nobody had ever seen one before, the first automobile. Our products are innovative in different ways. It's still innovative, it's still new, but in some ways they're smaller. It's not quite as noticeable, but those innovative changes still come across, and they do help people, they do help clients, and they truly are innovative. So it's a little like intermittent wipers on your car. Most people don't even think about them, but it truly is an innovation. You're not having to reach up there and turn them on and off as you're driving in the mist here in Houston. One of the strengths of our company is the breadth of knowledge of the people that we have. I'm always amazed at the people that develop our software when we go down and we talk, and the knowledge, where they come from, right? And now what they're doing now. And sometimes they don't seem to actually be where they would coexist, right? But they actually do complement each other quite well. We have people that don't come from the oil and gas industry or don't come from software development, but yet they're here working, and they provide feedback from different points of view, and we bring all that together and we make it work. For the most part, I think from what I see, people face the same challenges in different parts of the world. Of course, in some ways those challenges are met in different ways too, right? Because it's the same challenge, but it's the same mountain to climb. We have to get a certain project out on time, but they have a different code, so that's a little bit of a different challenge than what you would run into here in the U.S. or if you're in Canada trying to do it in Southeast Asia or China, right? Obviously, the language barriers are huge challenges for us to get over, but from a work point of view, I would say that we get asked the same 4 basic questions whenever we go in and we sit down and start talking to people. They're looking for ways to get a job done faster, to get a job done with fewer people, to get a job done more accurately. Those are the 3 of the primary questions they start coming up and asking us is how can I do this with my existing workforce without adding, without buying new software? And a lot of times the solution is right there in front of them in our product. It's just having to show them something new that they hadn't experienced before. The value proposition of any of our products, whether it's CADWorx and the ability to work with Caesar 2 so that you're not designing the same pipe system twice from the designer's perspective or the engineer's perspective. Is if you didn't have software, the way we would do it in the past is the draftsman would be over here drafting, the engineer would be over working on his spreadsheets or abacus, whatever else he had back in the day, right? And he's trying to figure out how his pipe stress is going to work. So you'd have 2 different guys working in separate rooms and spending the exact same amount of time or more to do their job. And now they can actually, one guy can design it and share the file, and that is a cost savings.